Here's the Terra X8 Pro with the QUASI kit installed, which QUASI is the Quality, Service, and Innovation for utility reads via UAV or unmanned aerial vehicle. So this is a completed drone. I just wanted to start off with a video showing the full item. The lower plate comes with a power distribution board, and there's also the battery mount included. The kit that we bought did include these flight color opto speed controllers. So the kit does include carbon fiber arms, 8 of them, and motor mounts. It does come with 8 of the 4114 320 kV brushless motors, as well as the propellers. Since speed controllers don't fit inside the carbon fiber arms, I went ahead and removed the heat shrink and soldered the motors directly to the speed controllers so that there's less point of failure. After that, I went ahead and added new heat shrink and then connected the speed controller power wires along with the speed controller signal wire. After all said and done, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's fairly clean, and I didn't show it, but I went ahead and zip tied the speed controllers to the motor mounts. Here are the arms before I wired the speed controllers. Keep in mind the 2 red ones go forward of the aircraft, and the motors rotate based on how you wire the speed controllers. Here I went ahead and installed all the 8 arms onto the bottom plate, and then did all the wiring. And in this iteration, I put the flight controller, the GPS, and the T10 receiver on top of the top plate. And in subsequent versions, I put that inside the frame. You can also see the retractable landing gear. So here's a completed version folded down. As you can see, it has the CUAV V5 Plus flight controller, and it does have the T10 SkyDroid receiver, and you can see that it'll fit 2 batteries. Here's a completed item with the arms open. This was one of our first flights that was fully autonomous. Right now it's coming back from the route and it's auto landing, and this is carrying the QUASI and some extra weight, so this is fully loaded. Completed mission. Here's where we decided to reconfigure the flight controller and put it in between the plates so that it has better protection and an overall cleaner look. This is the final product with all the modules installed. This is with a top plate off, so you can see the flight controller, the retractable power module, the power module for the flight controller, the receiver, and the Wi-Fi module and antennas all installed. So there is a completed drone. Don't mind the papers. This is a working drone, so I have to block out the serial numbers and contacts and all kinds of information. But there she is completed. So flight controller, CUAV V5 Plus. Everything's wired in. Retractable landing gear, all that stuff.